Thank you both gentlemen for waiting patiently to talk to us. Mr Edwards, first of all, £200 million of an extra allocation for the Welsh Government. Do you welcome that, and where should that be spent?
Well, I think that's going to be a bit of a hard sell in Wales, to be perfectly honest. Here, you're talking about the Welsh Government responsible for health services, education, a whole range of public services. The UK Government is spending £300 million on Buckingham Palace, £5 billion on the building behind me. £200 million for Wales is a particularly hard sell for the Tory Government.
Where should the priority be, and if you're asking for an extra allocation, where would it come from?
Well, listen, what we should have is a policy for driving economic growth. If you look at the OBR report, which accompanies the budget, and you compare it to last year, for the entire forecasting period, economic growth is down. And one of the main reasons for that is business investment is plummeting. Businesses are sitting on stockpiles of cash. They're not using it because of the uncertainty around Brexit. Where was the announcement today to stimulate business investment? Where were the announcement on capital allowances? And talking about Brexit, I know everybody's suffering from Brexit fatigue. Next week, the Prime Minister is launching the process of leaving the European Union. She's going for the most extreme Brexit option possible, leaving the single market and the customs union, the framework which has governed our trade policy for the last 40 years. There wasn't a mention of Brexit in the budget. We're talking about transformational changes, and Wales, with our export surplus, is more exposed to the extreme policies of this UK government. It was incredible the Chancellor didn't even mention Brexit in the budget.
Jonathan, thank you.